Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable an on-screen keyboard on your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So if you still have access to your physical keyboard, you'll be able to open up an on-screen keyboard by pressing a combination of Windows key with Control key and O key at the same time. So if you press them all together like this, you'll be able to open up an on-screen keyboard on your display. You can freely reshape it by dragging the sides of it or the corners of it, so you can make it any shape and form that you like this. You can close it right here. But if you don't have access to your physical keyboard and you also don't have an external keyboard to connect to your PC, then you'll have to go to the Start menu, then open up the Settings, then go to the Update and Security settings, Ease of Access settings right here, and then select Keyboard section and then enable the on-screen keyboard by tapping on this toggle bar. And this will enable your on-screen keyboard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.